Hey guys, I'm making this video on the law of sines and I'm going to do a couple problems for you. The law of sines is relatively easy once you understand it. All it is solving a proportion. And so what it says is that any side A over the sine of the angle A is equal to side B over the sine of B is equal to C over the sine of C. Okay, so a couple of things. It doesn't matter what order you put them in. It doesn't matter what A, B, or C is as long as the right side is over the right side angle. And then you only need two of the three. So you don't need all three when you solve, you just need two. So you could use this two, you can use these two, you can use these two. Okay. What else? I think that's it. So just make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And let's do a couple problems. So number one says find AC, and AC is right here. So that's my X right there. And what I need is I need the angle across from it, and then I need another side. I have another side, and then I need the angle across from the side, which is this angle. So I'm going to need to find this angle, and luckily I know how to do that. There's 180 degrees in a triangle minus the other two sides. And so 180 minus 118 minus 22 is equal to 40. So this is 40 right here. So what I'm going to do to set it up is I'm going to say that X is over sine of 22. These two go together. They're opposites of each other. And then I'm going to set it up as 24 is equal to, 24 is over sine of 40. So I've got my angles on the bottom. I've got my sides on the top. I only need two of the three. And I need X somewhere in here, obviously. And from here, you're going to solve as a proportion. So if you remember solving proportions, you're going to cross multiply and then divide. So I'm going to cross multiply here and here. So sine 40 times X is equal to 24 times sine of 22. And then I'm solving for X, so I'm going to divide off this side. Divide sine of 40. And I've got X is equal to 24 times the sine of 22 divided by sine of 40. So I just take it right here. 24 times the sine of 22 divided by sine of 40. And that's equal to 13.98. I'm going to go ahead and say that it's about 14. Okay. And then let's do another one. So over here, I have 7, and I'm finding AB, so this is X. And this time I have all the corresponding angles. So I'm going to say X over sine of 53 is equal to 7 over sine of 44. Okay, so 7 goes to 44, X goes to 53. I don't care about these two. Cross multiply. So 7 times sine of 53 is equal to X times sine of 44. Divide both sides to find X. 7 times sine of 53 divided by sine of 44, 8.05. So it's equal to 8. Okay, last one over here. This time it looks like I need to find this. And if you add up 39 and 51, you get 90, so this is 90 degrees. Sine of 90 degrees is actually 1, which is interesting. If you think about it, sine of this is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Well, the opposite is the hypotenuse, so it has to be 1. But let's see, BC, this is what I'm solving for. So x over sine 39 is equal to 27 over sine of 90. This is really sine of 90 right here, which is the same thing as 1, okay? So it'd be 27 times sine of 39 is equal to x times 1, which is the same thing. So 27 times sine of 39 is equal to 16.99. So we'll go ahead and say it's 17. All right, hopefully that helps.